What's up, peoples? Welcome back to the bar. Today, July 24th, 2023, is National Tequila Day. And to celebrate, I'm doing a blind tasting to see if I can tell from tasting which of your tequilas are lying to you. To comically oversimplify the issue, the rules which govern the manufacture of tequila don't get along with both producing millions of liters per year and producing an honest tequila. It's mostly the time that it takes agave to mature, but manufacturers have to go one way or the other. They can't have the best of both worlds. When they decide to go the route of mass scale production, they have to add what we call additives to their tequila to at least make it taste kind of tequila. And that tequila is lying to you. So we set up a blind taste test. Joanne is currently in an alternate timeline in DaVinci Resolve to measure 3/4 of an ounce of each 6 bottles of Blanco tequila and 6 bottles of Reposado tequila for me to taste to identify which ones have additives in them. And for bonus brownie points, if I can identify which bottle is in each glass. So let's see how I did. Okay, wow, wondering what I was thinking signing myself up for this. I'm here with a bowl of our bar nuts, a glass, and a pitcher of water to clean the palate, and 7 snifters. These do have markings on them that I can see, but they're uncorrelated markings. Like this one has a little flower drawn on the bottom, a cat. You get the idea. It's not like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the flower. It's very pepper forward. On the nose, it's all agave, cooked agave, and ethanol. Definitely not an additive tequila. Vanilla. Oh, I don't like you. No. It's like not even food. It's just a punch in the face, fake, very fake vanilla, like the poorest quality vanilla candy. I believe that's Casamigos, but ooh, I do not like you. It has an almost savory nose. Slightly vegetal of cooked agave, slightly floral. Yeah, it has like a meaty, savory nose that is actually quite pleasant. Definitely not an additive tequila, and really quite good, actually. Again, slightly savory on the nose. Also, cooked agave. That savory quality is nowhere near as pronounced as this one. Yeah, no, that's another decent quality tequila. I do not believe this to be an additive-based tequila either. I'm gonna come back to that. Yeah, that smells like pine sol. And it tastes like pine sol. That is definitely an additive-based tequila. Okay, I'm just curious. Is the circle El Jimador? Yeah. Okay. I detect some vanilla in that, but I don't know yet. I think that's a blend of Casamigos and something else. I feel like the explanation point is the one that she threw in to throw me off. So I am very confident that this one? Yes, that one. I believe this one to be Uno Dos Tres. I believe this one to be the 1579. Trace agaves, organic. I believe this one to be the Tapatio Blanco. Okay, let's see what they are. So, yes, those 3 in fact are the additive tequilas. Although I did incorrectly identify the 1, 2, 3 and trace agaves. Sorry, 1, 2, 3 and trace agaves. Okay. onto the rebos. Directly reminds me of the pine sol that ended up being whatever. It directly reminds me of the pine sol from last round. Oh, I'm afraid of this sip. Oh God, I do not like you. That is so fake. These two are definitely not additive-based tequilas. This one I believe to be Tapatio. It has a cooked agave vegetal note as well as mellowed in the barrel black pepper. I believe to be the Artenam 1414. It's just, there's way too much going on in here. This is the standout in the crowd for sure. Definitely. The plus sign is Don Roberto. It just has a fake mouthfeel to it. There is a vanilla note to it that seems slightly fake. I'm afraid that this is the 123, and I'm also afraid that that means that it has additives in it. Okay, is the crown the 1414? It is. Okay, cool. Okay. Is the heart Tapatio? Yeah. It is. Okay, cool. Is the check mark 123 dos?
Yeah.
Okay. Is at Hornitos? Okay, it was horrible enough. The star is some like abomination. Okay. And the plus sign must be Don Roberto. And the smiley face, ironically enough, is Casamigos. Okay. Oh my God, it was so bad. So there you go. Casamigos is horrible. I mean, your tequila might be lying to you. If you want to find other tequilas which are additive free, go check out the app Tequila Matchmaker or their website tequilamatchmaker.com. It is like the best source of truth in tequila in the modern era. If this episode leaves you thirsty for actual mixology, go check out this episode on molecular mixology and how to use it to develop secret ingredients to elevate your cocktails. And if you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe. It's free $99 and the best way to support our channel.